Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Check iOS version and that your carrier plan permits personal hotspot. Next, enable cellular data so the phone can share a connection. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They speed pairing and remove the need for a cable. Now open Settings and tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. This gets you to the exact control. You're doing the initial setup now, so the hotspot can be activated immediately after you finish these prerequisites. You'll now enable and configure the hotspot. In Settings, tap Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow others to join on. This broadcasts the network. Make a Wi-Fi password that's at least 8 characters long and strong, because security matters when sharing data. Then select how devices will connect. Use Wi-Fi for most phones and laptops, Bluetooth for quick pairing with a single device, or USB when you want a stable, wired connection. Make sure cellular data remains active while sharing. You finish by connecting other devices. On the client device, select your iPhone's network name and enter the password you created. For USB tethering, connect the iPhone, tap Trust on the computer, and enable Personal Hotspot while wired. Once connected, check cellular signal and data usage so you don't exceed limits. If something goes wrong, try toggling cellular and personal hotspot off and on, restart your iPhone, and confirm your carrier allows tethering. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.